This is the evilest prank I've done so far. Yeah.
This bitch good.
So today I'm gonna be pranking my homies, y'all. It's gonna be cat food tacos. They're not gonna know it's cat food tacos. We're gonna do like a 1-star versus 5-star. They're gonna have no clue what they're gonna be eating. All right, gang, so basically, we just got the tacos from Jack in the Crack. Dude, I told him plain and dry. You know how Jack in the Box be fucking. Oh no, I told him plain and dry for
You stupid.
I don't even know. So now there's lettuce in this shit, so it makes it even more better. Check out this lovely meat we got right here. Does that look like cat food to you? This looks hella like fucking cat food, so we about to put some motherfucking special ingredients. Let's pop this bad boy open. Bro, that looks just like Oh!
This is the evilest prank I've done so far. Poor turtle man. Ronnie, that's Scotty. Ronnie, the motherfucking turtle. Oh,
That's perfect.
oh, they're gonna take a fat, juicy bite of that shit right here.
Pet pet. She be like, how you fuck me like that? How you do me like that? How you want like that? Squirt, squirt, squirt. Hey, bitch, I thought that was a bug. You got me. Alright, I wrote up pretty quick, man. I'm about to spark this and we about to get to it, man. Pass me the tacos. We'll start off with the tacos. Put that in there, fam. Alright, everybody get a taco, pass it down. I mean,
Pass it back.
just get a taco. First set of tacos, I'm not gonna tell them which one this is. I'm not gonna tell them to the end. So let's see if they can figure it out. I'm about to spark this blunt. Let's get started, guys. Let's get it, gang.
You know which one's which?
Yeah, I know which one it is. On this one, it's all dry as fuck.
Y'all got some buttermilk? No.
Milk.
No, man.
Buttermilk. You want some buttermilk? Alright, I'm about to try this out, y'all. Let's fucking get it. That shit dry.
It's dry?
Mm-hmm. I already knew the lettuce was dry. What did they pre-make the tacos? You think they pre-make them? And they just have them ready?
No, they already have them ready and they just deep fry them.
Fucking assholes.
And they just add the lettuce or what?
Yeah. They have to.
Try some buttermilk so it won't be that dry.
I mean, I don't like ranch like that. But I don't know. This meat is I kind of like the meat taste, right? It's kind of weird.
I like the cheese, low key.
This shit tastes kind of weird. But I like it. Because it tastes weird.
You hit it. Oh, shit, Jay.
Okay, Jay.
Stoner.
I taste it, fam.
I didn't even know you were in my face.
Nah, I just got it. Got my boy Paul. What's up, Paul? You got any new videos coming soon?
Yeah, pornos.
Oh, yeah, man. We got my boy Turtle Man in the building.
Hey man, yeah, turtle man for a reason, man.
What do you guess that one is, Turtle Man?
The 1-star, man.
1 star? That shit is pretty dry.
See, look, this ain't sloppy like the other one. It's a regular hard taco.
Yeah, the lettuce looks better. Look, show the lettuce. It looks more like fresh.
I'm about to find out.
Hell yeah. Ronnie dying back there.
Me.
Hell yeah.
This bitch good.
That one's better than the 1 star. I mean, than the last round.
I can't tell.
How's it taste?
Bunch of tacos are hard.
That shit looks pretty good. Better.
Crunchy. I like when they're crunchy.
Right.
Looks way more better.
Well, it's kind of soggy or what?
Kinda.
Nah, this ain't harder.
You got a hard one?
The first one was soggy.
That shit's good, fam.
It better be 1 star. Only 2 star.
That's like a 5.
2 star.
That's a 5.
I mean, 2 stars better than 1 star.
True. So you rate that one 2 star?
First one was worse. This one tastes better.
True. Wait, let me see. That shit looks kind of pink though.
It do right.
What the hell? That one kind of look. Let me see yours.
He said my shit look molded.
Nah.
That's the new one you got? How did it taste?
I'm gonna say it looks moldy.
How did the new one taste?
I'm not sure.
5 star or 1 star?
I don't even know.
Take
I
a
don't even know.
take a bite and see what's up, nigga. Come
I
on,
already took a bite, but I give this one 5. This one 5.
better.
It's better than the first one? Better than the first one, but
What? He's like, I don't know. Their
I don't know.
jacket's trashed all the way.
He
Right.
hasn't even bit into it yet.
I bit the other side.
But
It's
the other-
just, I like
Why you not eating those?
I like the crunchy part.
He just
it's
dropped
great.
both. He don't like the tacos.
Nah, I fuck with them, but
He said, I don't like this.
So Ronnie,
I low-key, this one was greasier. Yeah, I don't really like it.
describe it.
I like the other one better, I ain't gonna lie.
Why?
So,
He said, take this one.
Yeah, yeah.
1 star or 5
So
star?
y'all went to a 1 star and a 5 star?
Yeah.
I know we're rating them here.
Yeah, cause the 1 star, I think it tastes better. I mean, the first one tastes better. I keep saying 1 star.
The 5 star was better than the 1 star.
Yeah, the one without the cat food, that didn't taste better. Yeah.
What is it?
He
said cat food.
The cat food.
What the fuck?
Chill the fuck out, nigga.
Frisky.
Hey, I'm gonna get your ass back. I'm gonna get your ass.
Frisky.
Where's it at?
Where's it?
Bitch, you bro got us.
Yes, nigga. I got the frisky.
Hey, I got my shit.
Go to McDonald's and act like it's a dispensary.
Lizardman. We just put up to the dispensary, y'all. You know, we're running out of the za. Hello.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Like try our McRib today.
No thanks. Do y'all have cookies?
I'm sorry, the 50?
No. Do y'all have cookies?
Oh, cookies. We can put some down. They're all cooked to order.
And that's an indica or hybrid?
I'm sorry?
Is that an indica or a hybrid?
I'm sorry, sir. Can you repeat that?
What strain is it?
Are you talking about the cookies?
Yes, the cookies.
They're chocolate chip cookies.
But what is it, indica or is it hybrid? What other strains do y'all have?
We only have one, the chocolate chip cookies, sir.
I'm good. Thank you.
Oh my god,
Hey, fat fuck.
What's up, player? What you got cooking here? Boy, you look gay as hell. What you doing?
We got the new.
What's that new? Crank it up, Buster.
Sorry, the person you were trying to reach has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet. Please try your call again later. Goodbye.
Hey, get your phone, but you don't hear me back now. All alone now my world feeling black now. Get it gone, yeah, I gotta get the back now. Get me wrong, now I gotta spit the facts now. Hit your phone, but you don't hit me back now. All alone, now my world feeling black now. Get it gone, yeah, I gotta